Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma informed that in order to bring the standard of state education system, Mbose will have a new curriculum and textbook in days to come. He informed that the textbook review committee has recommended that subjects like mathematics, science, English and social science, the state should adopt NCERT textbook with contextualization with the state environment. The minister said the same has been proposed to the state government, who will take it up in the cabinet meeting on November 16th.
The committee has recommended and proposed to the government to take a call to certain subjects like the mathematics, science and English and social science, that we should adopt the NCERT textbook with contextualization with the state environment. We are putting up this proposal to the government, and on 16th cabinet will decide on this, and will definitely take a call for the interest of our students.
The IA Ayurvedic Medical